Hello, and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the fourth grade concept of adding and subtracting whole numbers and decimals. This is standard 4.4a in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 19 of the 2024 released STAAR test. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. All right, so Colleen buys a roll of craft paper for $7.99, some glue for $3.69, and then she saves 75 cents using a coupon. And what is the total cost? All right, so let's see if we could draw a representation to kind of help us figure out what we're supposed to do. What is the total cost? Meaning we are missing the total cost. So if I'm going to draw a strip diagram, right, my total is going to be up here, and it is unknown. So it is what I'm looking for. So what is the relationship between these three numbers, the $7.99, the $3.69, and the 75 cents? Well, when you are buying things, right, you're going to buy $7.99 and you're going to buy that $3.69. Okay, so those are the two things that she's going to buy. So I'm just going to kind of represent this right here. And let's make it, they're not exactly even. So I'm going to make this my craft paper. And that's going to be CP. And that will be $7.99. And then this is going to be my glue. So that's $3.69. All right, so if I get those two items, right, that is going to total the amount that I'm purchasing. Here's where it gets a little bit tricky. She saves 75 cents by using a coupon. All right, so we're not adding 75 cents to this. A coupon is money off, right? So sometimes you can get $1 off, $2 off. In this case, she saved 75 cents. They'll reduce the price of something if you bring in a piece of paper called a coupon. Sometimes it's digital. And so we actually need to take a little bit off. So I'm going to draw that in blue here. I'm going to kind of go like this, right? And I'm going to say that's my 75-cent coupon. So she's not paying the full amount. So how can we solve for this? Well, first let's add up our craft paper and our glue. Let's see what that's going to get us. So craft paper $7.99. When we are adding decimals, we need to be very, very careful to make sure that we are lining up the decimal points. $3.69. All right, let's add those two. So we start at the hundredths place, right? The farthest right, so that's 9 and 9. That's going to be 18. Now we're in our tenths place, which is in this case is our dimes place. So 1 and 9 make 10, and then 10 and 6 make 16. So we're going to once again regroup. And so I've got 7 and 3 make 10, add that 1, make 11. All right, so I've got 1168. Now, if I wanted to choose this, it's not even one of my answer choices. But it's fine. I haven't done anything with this 75 cents, right? And you know what? Let's do it both ways. All right, so let's add the 75 cents. So we need to line it up like this, 0.75. And then let's subtract it. Let's see if both answers show up. So if I wanted to add it, that would be, 8 and 5 is 13. 1 and 6 is 7, so 7 and 7 is 14. And that's 1243, so that goes right there. And then if I subtract it, 8 and 5 is 3. I need to regroup here. So that's going to be 16 and 7 is 9. And then 10, so 1093, right? And also, if I didn't regroup correctly, that's also a possibility, that 1083. But remember, the 75 cents is a coupon. That is the amount of money you save. So what we needed to do is add these two together and then take away 75 cents, which is what we did second. So our answer here is going to be B, $10.93.